In this video, I'll be showing you how to create another YouTube channel with the same email address. So all you need to do is simply launch YouTube, and then you want to click on your profile icon and you want to select settings. Under settings, you want to go ahead and select account, and then under your YouTube channel, you should see your current account, and then there's an option create a new channel. So go ahead and select it, then go through the process of adding a profile picture if you want to do that now. You can use one of the options provided to you by YouTube, or you can upload your own image. It's completely up to you. And then all you need to do now is simply give your channel a name and a handle. Once you've done that, you can then go into select create channel, and this should automatically take you to your brand new newly created YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.